Hi and welcome on Your Music Learn. Today we will approach a very important topic, a new topic which will be essential to go on in the study of harmony. This topic, this tool we are going to introduce is the bass. So let's start by saying that if we take if we take a song, a music piece of any kind of music, either classical, jazz, or pop music, we always have an instrument playing some low notes. For example, in a pop song, we have the electric bass. In a jazz song, we have a pizzicato double bass. Or in an orchestra, we have the bassoon or a double bass, and so on. So we always have instruments playing the bass. What do we mean with the term bass? Bass is a generic term, and with the term bass we mean some low notes. It is lower than, for example, the other notes that we are playing, for example, the chord notes. So a low note, a generic low note. So, since it is so important to have a low note in any kind of arrangement, since it is so important to have the bass in every kind of music, we really need to introduce it also in the study of harmony, because up to now we have only talked about chords, and we have only played triads, chords made up of three sounds, three notes, but we never add a low note which is lower than this note. So in today's lesson we will introduce the bass, the concept of bass, in the study of harmony. But the question is, why is the bass so important? The bass is very important. So to have a low note is so important because the bass is often called the generating sound of harmony. So it means that the bass can create the whole harmony. But and it is quite you can be surprised of it, of course, because you can be asking yourself, why can only one low note create the whole harmony? And this will be very clear when we will introduce the harmonics theory. So in the first video of today's lesson, in the first video we will talk about the harmonics theory, and this will allow us to understand why the bass is so important. And then we will introduce another essential topic, which is the inversion. What is an inversion? This will be very clear when we will be trying to decide, to choose which note to use, for example, playing a chord. So for example, if I'm playing the C major chord, I can use as a bass either C, E, or G. So how can I decide which note can I play as a bass? So as you will see, the concept of inversion will be something very, very important, an essential concept, because depending on the note that we will play as the bass, we will have many different results. We will have different harmonies. Using the same chords, you will have different harmonies, only changing the bass note. So see you in the next video.